just turning the vlog on. What's up, guys? Wow, haven't had this out. What's happening?
What's up, brother? Good to meet you again.
Yeah, got the homie Olu here. You know what I'm saying? Digital nomad brother.
Thank you, man. I appreciate your time. I can't wait till we discuss amazing, fun things to do together.
Yes, yes.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit lit because it's so fun here.
I know. Foodie Snacks, that's his Instagram page. He makes money on Instagram, I'll say that. And how old are you?
23.
He's 23, living that life in Canggu.
Storm Area 51.
What's that gonna be like?
Only one way to find out.
Okay, fuck. The most common question I get is, Riley, okay, it's cool, dude. You're living that life. How do I live that life too? So it comes down to being able to make a living from your laptop, having a remote job. That's what it comes down to. So you can travel often and even live full time out here in tropical Asia like thousands of us do. This is my lap sack, I'm calling it. This is my minimalist laptop bag. It's got this kind of hard shell case. And then I whip this out and I work every day in cafes and co-working spaces for about 6 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, because we're fired up, we're getting after it, building passive income businesses. Okay, next question. Okay, Riley, what are the remote jobs that I can do? That's what my beginner's course is about. It's breaking down the top 10 ways to work remotely that I know people that are doing personally and helping you wrap your head around the different opportunities out there. Because the realness is saying, the reality is everyone is different and there's not one business model for everyone. But as you know, I've been a digital nomad for 5 years. I met hundreds of digital nomads. I know what actually works that people are doing to make full-time incomes and actually make great incomes. Like a lot of digital nomads make 6 figures a year and above. A lot make $1 million a year. There's no limit to the amount you can make on the internet because it's scalable worldwide. So recently, instead of calling it a side hustle, I've been saying the word career more, because I want to remind myself and others that working online, whatever, make money online, it's not just a side hustle. It's a viable, promising career option. Because in the big picture, the internet is still so new. Online shopping is still so new. It's under 20 years old and it's only accelerating. Every year we can see it. We can buy more things online. We're just in the industry of getting customers through the internet, which everyone buys shit online now. Whether it's physical products, digital products, being a virtual coach. So overall, the 3 main ways of working remotely are: number 1, working remotely for a company; number 2, being a freelancer; and number 3, owning your online business. Of course, we all are gonna strive to be number 3, to own a business, but for a lot of people, working remotely for a company or starting off freelancing can be the way for you to start. And so my beginner's course helps you go through all the questions you need to ask to figure out where's the best place for you to start. And for that reason, I'm gonna be offering it for basically free for a limited amount of time. So because I want everyone to be able to get this course and start, whether you're completely broke or you have money, it doesn't matter. I want everyone to take this course and be like, it's a no-brainer, so you have no excuse to take the first step and start thinking about what business model I can start with. But my goal with this course, obviously, is to help you make that decision and start. After you've chosen the business model, the next step is you buy a course that specializes in that business model, and I'll be recommending courses out there that I recommend for you to get. Of course, as you guys know, I started my whole e-commerce career with a $600 e-commerce course accompanied with a conference in e-commerce, so I definitely recommend that. So before I forget, Nomad Summit is having one in Mexico, Playa del Carmen, in October. Link below for a deal on that. And of course, every January, it's happening in Chiang Mai, Thailand, so use that as your excuse. January 2020 will be the annual Nomad Summit in Chiang Mai, Thailand, so use that as your excuse, put it on the calendar. You know, like CJ and RJ and so many did, and you may catch them in Mexico. I don't know, you can ask me. Oh yeah, and then so in the course, by the end of my beginner's course, if you still can't decide, I offer one-on-one advising calls to for about 30 minutes or an hour to pick your brain and to figure out together what is the best business model for you to dig into first. So I think that's the best value I can provide at this time of my life. Of course, blessed to even be in the position to help others. So if you have any specific questions that you would like me to do videos on in my beginner's course, shoot me a DM on Instagram and I will give you a hookup for the course. Also, Living That Life LLC, I am hiring a content writer, article writer, guide writer for my website, livingthatlife.com, in the intermediate freelancer range. If you know what Upwork is, you know what that hourly range is. I'm also hiring a Facebook ads person, YouTube ads person, Instagram ads / Instagram growth hacking manager, and an overall course launching intern with potential partnership on courses for the right situation. And for videos coming soon, I have all the Japan videos coming and all of the passport heavy Bali joint behind the scenes videos still coming, as I'll get to in a second. I've been so busy with Amazon physical products and my Amazon agency. You know him from the Nusa vlog, so go check that out and check all of his social media. Links in the description.
Foodie Snacks.
Foodie Snacks. That's his Instagram page. He makes money on Instagram. I'll say that. And how old are you?
23.
He's 23. Living that life in Canggu. This was gonna be just a regular ass classic day in the life vlog, but I figured I'd stick in some actual updates, what's going on with my 3 companies and just overall life here in Bali. So let me get out my notes here. Overall, Bali life is going great. It's about 7 months here in Bali. Yes, I guess this is the new home base now. Can't really complain, it has everything. It's the freaking nomad hotspot, guys. It's freaking paradise. As you have seen on my daily stories on Instagram, you can see the amazing food I'm eating, the amazing gyms, the amazing beaches, all the nomads. It's just flooded with digital nomads. Not flooded, but packed with thousands. And it's overall, it's good, can't complain. So for my 3 companies, I did an update on Instagram a couple months back. So my 3 companies, Living That Life, my physical products business, and my Amazon agency. Oh my God, 4 years. As a YouTuber and 5th year as a digital nomad. So first week of September, this actually marks the 4-year anniversary. I forgot. It's September 2015. I posted my first vlog in Saigon, Vietnam. So shout out to everyone that's been a part of my first 1,000 subscribers there in Saigon. Of course, shout out to old boy Abe Kim, Yavato Kim, and Kyle.net for helping me get some of those first 1,000 subscribers. Big shout out to y'all. Wow, 4 years as YouTubing. I've posted pretty much every week for the entire 4 years, with the exception of these past couple months. I've been so busy launching so many Amazon products, and I'll get to that in a second. But back to the course. So on to Amazon agency. It's been going well. Made a huge milestone just yesterday of bringing on our first full-time member. So it's going well, but with all businesses, it takes time to get the ball rolling. But yeah, we're making profit. And then of course, business number 3, my physical product business, which has been me and Parker's bread and butter, of course, for these past 5 years. October will be 5 years since we bopped out to Chiang Mai. We have been launching these past couple months more products than ever. So I've been so busy. Like my beginner's course, I was supposed to launch months ago, as you guys know. Back in January, I did a video announcing it, but literally launching so many more products, a handful last month, a handful more this month, and Amazon is still working. It's still great. As you guys know, my mom makes 2K plus a month profit, pre-tax profit, on her one single Amazon product idea. She told me her idea 2 years ago, as you know, and during that one summer, I helped her list it on Amazon and get it sourced through Alibaba and make a few customizations. And with her like $800 initial investment, within 6 months it was churning 1K profit, and within like another 6 months it was churning 2K profit. It just sits there and my mom makes some extra cash. So for people that ask me, is Amazon still viable? That's all I have to say. Amazon is still growing, it's still growing. Yes, it's more competitive, but that just means you need to use your brain more and think about how to stand out on that one page with all the other similar products. How do you stand out? I still have ideas on how to stand out. It's a combination of having a good idea and targeting that niche keyword that you think you can get on page 1 for, that of course has good search volume, at least 3K searches per month via merchantwords.com, link below. Yeah, that's it. No other travel plans until Songkran, Thailand, Bangkok 2020. Of course, next year will be my 6th Songkran, aka Thai New Year, aka Water Festival. That's coming up in April. So if you want to meet up there, down to party for that, including the S2O Festival, which is the big water rave. If you come through Bali, of course, hit me up. Footage you're seeing now is from last Saturday. I'm recording this on Saturday, the next Saturday, so I'm actually going to be going to that pool party again here shortly. So anyway, hi mom, hi dad, hi Emma. That's my grandma, by the way. She's one of my biggest fans and followers. Follow me on Instagramski if you haven't. I need to get 10,000 followers on Instagram. I'm trying to figure out how to do that so I can add the swipe up links. If you know, if you can help me do that, if you want to do some partnership, whatever, I'm so behind on the Instagram game. Yep, that's it. Here's the villa. Of course, the one and only Gavin Dantes. This is his villa, and while his team is in Europe, I'm holding it down with a couple of guys right now. So anyways, I'll shut up. Everything links below and shit. Peace. Just turning the vlog on. What's up, guys? Wow, haven't had this out. What's happening?
What's up, brother? Good to meet you again.
Yeah, got the homie Olu here. You know what I'm saying? Digital nomad brother.
Thank you, man. I appreciate your time. I can't wait till we discuss amazing fun things to do together.
Yes, yes.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit lit because it's so fun here.
I know, I'm a little bit late.
He's lit, I'm lit, he's late. Which one? I'm lit, he's late.
Anyways, Chengdu guy, digital nomad. So what I'm doing right now is, so I just found out last night that one of my favorite YouTubers is here.
Who?
And he's here. His name is Luke We Are Change, and you guys don't know him. He is a digital nomad, but he's not a digital nomad. He is one of the most well-known independent journalists on YouTube.
Wow.
And in my 8-year YouTube watching journey, his channel is in the top 5 in terms of total watch time.
Okay.
And so I've met him once, actually 2 years ago in Chiang Mai at the Nomad Summit, and I saw on his Instagram that he's here. And so he may or may not be here, but I'm hoping to do an interview with him.
All the best, brother. See you later.
So we met in 2017 at the Nomad Summit.
In Chiang Mai,
In Chiang Mai.
Thailand.
Yes.
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 I remember.
Yes.
1 point for me.
Yes, he remembers. So if you don't know, Luke travels the world constantly.
Dazed and confused.
Yes.
In stupid areas,
Yes.
in stupid circumstances.
He was just in Hong Kong covering the protests, and I was following the whole thing. Anyways, since we met, you met up with my best friend Blake in Nairobi.
Yeah.
You remember that? And you did a video with him.
Night robbery.
Nairobi.
Yeah.
So that was crazy.
Yeah, Blake was awesome. Blake was cool. Like literally, as I landed, he was there.
So back to Hong Kong, and you're speaking here.
No, Hong Kong, Philly, and then Area 51, Storm Area 51.
Is that actually going down?
Yeah, of course.
What's that gonna be like?
Only one way to find out.
Okay, fuck. So you
Storm
usually...
Area 51.
Storm Area 51. Follow for that. I'm excited about that.
Yeah, same.
I showed my dad the Netflix documentary, and he's like, everyone's just like, boom about that documentary. It's so crazy, so crazy.
Yeah.
Aliens exist, people. It's proven now. Probably. Anyway, okay, so Philly, and then back to, so normally at this time you are at Burning Man, right?
Yeah.
So I was gonna say thank you V and thank you Iffy for having us at Alternative Beach, and everyone should check it out.
Check it out. Alternative Beach.
So is it every Saturday?
Yes, Saturday and Wednesday. Have to go back. And I'm like,
Okay, Alternative Beach, that's what this whole thing was. Check it out on Instagram, and see you in Chengdu. So if you guys don't know, I have filmed dozens of street food vlogs. Thailand, India, Bali, Colombia, Amsterdam, even America, but especially Bangkok. And a lot of people know me as a street food guy. So here's a straight up grilled sardine on the beaches of Bali, right next to Old Man's. Don't be afraid to try it. Yeah. It's very fresh and natural.
Straight
and
up sardine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Riley. Riley, yeah. After Alternative Beach, now we're on the real beach, and just ate some sardines. We got Luke Wear Change in the crypto meetup here. Just checking out the beach. Beautiful night in Canggu. And just ate some sardines. Hashtag street food vlogger life. Oh hey, I didn't see you. I didn't see you there. Anyway, you just walked down the beach. We're at La Brisa now, aka Heaven on Earth, aka the best place in Canggu. It's #1 on my list. So if you haven't been here, I tell everyone to come here. I brought my parents here, and it's the coolest place. Check it out. See you here in Bali. Oh yeah, make sure you get the shisha, the coconut flavor with the ice pipe, and get some hot tea or some cocktails, whatever you want. And and it's all good. They even got this little handle on there for you. And see ya here.
Steal my cup. God damn it, my fucking cup back.
Shout out, subscribe, YouTuber life.
Stole my cup.
And I stole his cup. He's not gonna get his cup back. This is my air cup. Yum, yum, yum.